A statewide legal interpreter shortage has been developing since the sunset of RID's SCL test in December of 2015. Since then, Washington has not sanctioned a replacement qualification exam or an onboarding process for legal interpreters. There are 319 RID-certified sign language interpreters in Washington state, including 17 SCL interpreters, 16 who are hearing, and 1 deaf. In the spring of 2023, ODHH contracted to survey the Washington state ASL interpreter population, intending to build a pathway towards reducing the shortage of legally qualified interpreters. 111 sign language interpreters, or 34% of the interpreters residing in Washington, responded. Of those who responded, 51 expressed interest in pursuing legal interpreting if conditions, training, practice, timing, and credentialing were in place. 1 year later, in the spring of 2024, the respondent group of 51 was surveyed again to further inquire about their intentions and readiness to pursue legal interpreting. 27 responded to this survey. 20 individuals, 73%, replied that they were ready and interested in learning more about Texas's BEI-Court interpreting certification. I researched the BEI-Court interpreting certification process, and on September 27th of this year, I presented a comparative analysis between RID's SCL and BEI-Court's certification to the Administrative Office of the Court's Interpreter Language Access Commission, the ILAC. The presentation purpose was twofold. First, to educate the Commission about the two exams, assessing their similarities and differences, and second, after addressing the Commission's questions and concerns, to request a letter of support to move forward with the ratification of the BEI-Court certification for Washington State ASL legal interpreters. The ILAC voted to support ODHH's desire to recognize BEI-Court certification and is writing a letter of support. This support puts ODHH in the position to freely amend the WAC 388-818-530 to include the BEI-Court certification as a sanctioned option for Washington interpreters. Additionally, ODHH is preparing to invest in interpreter training, design, and implement an induction process, and in conjunction with AOC, provide modest financial support to candidates traveling to Texas to take the BEI-Court exam. Once a candidate passes the NCSC's written test, the BEI-Court exam will be readily available for those currently holding RIDs, CSC, CI, and CT, a CDI, an NIC Advanced, and an NIC Masters. Interpreters credentialed with the RID's NIC certification are not eligible to sit directly for the BEI-Court without passing the BEI Advanced exam first. Among the 27 respondents, BEI's two-tier process affects 9 interpreters eager to pursue legal interpreting. One recommendation is to provide additional support for two-tier candidates. CDI interpreters must only take the NCSC written test to pass the BEI-Court accreditation. No performance test is necessary. September 27th, 2024's comparative analysis presentation is available below. I will provide updates as they develop. With respect, Dr. Laurie R. Reinhardt, CSC, NICA, SCL.